Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so excited you're here. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and powerful word, attack. It's an A2 level verb that means to act aggressively towards someone. Whether you're describing a competitive game or a tense argument, this word can come in handy. So, let's explore it together. Let's start with the definition. Attack means to act with force or aggression towards someone or something. It's often used in situations involving physical or verbal confrontation. For example, you might hear someone say, "The dog tried to attack the stranger," or "She felt as if he was trying to attack her ideas during the meeting." Now, let's look at some synonyms. Words like assault, charge, and strike can be used in place of attack in certain contexts. For example, the knight decided to charge at his opponent, or the player made a bold strike against the opposing team. These words share the idea of an aggressive or forceful action. On the flip side, there are antonyms that highlight the opposite meaning. Words like defend, protect, and shield are great examples. For instance, you might say, "The team worked hard to defend their goal," or "She stood in front of her friend to protect him from harm." In everyday life, attack is used in all sorts of scenarios. You might hear it in sports, as in, "The team decided to attack in the final moments of a game." It's also common in debates or disagreements, like, "Don't attack me just because I have a different opinion." It can even appear in creative expressions such as, "Let's attack this project with full energy." Here are a few more examples to help you get comfortable with the word. The army planned to attack at sunrise. The journalist felt like the question was an unfair attack on her character. When learning a new skill, it's best to attack it with determination. Before we wrap up, let's review what we've learned. Attack means to act aggressively toward someone, and it's often used in both physical and non-physical contexts. Synonyms include assault, charge, and strike, while antonyms include defend, protect, and shield. With this word in your vocabulary, you'll have a dynamic way to describe actions or confrontations in various situations. Thanks so much for listening to today's episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps more people discover the show. I'd love to hear how you'd use attack in a sentence, so drop your example in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and have a fantastic day.